Today we're going to introduce a new tool to you from Delfast. It's a cordless power stapler. So the nice thing about this, requires no hammering, runs with a battery and a small gas charge. We just set it up on our post. So we just work our way down, come down here, staple it, and we're done. Quick, easy, neat. You can adjust the depth of the staple so you have some room behind your wire so it can move, and it'll make quick work of stapling and save a whole lot of pain on your shoulders.